Preciturn is a globe designer and manufacturer of cutting tools, founded by Jermaine Chan, the leader of Shenzhen Qitianda Technology Company Limited. As the mature globe supplier of high-performance cutting tools, Preciturn manufactures and stocks a comprehensive range of turning inserts, taps, carbide drills, carbide mills, slitting saw, and offers various complicated custom cutters solutions. Over the years of independent research and manufacture of carbide cutters, Preciturn has acquired multiple machine of carbide cutters producing. As the development brand of metal high-precision and high-efficiency turning cutters solutions for leading brands like Apple and Huawei's mobile phone lens rings in China, Preciturn has accumulated a wealth of metal high-precision and high-performance turning experience and has become the long-term stable production supplier. Based on the development concept of developed elaborately and deeply in fostering high-quality growth, Preciturn's cutting inserts, solid carbide drills, taps, and other metal machine cutters have gained a leading position in multiple fields, earning an excellent reputation. Preciturn business is around about 40 countries, including Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa, the Middle East, and South America. In the future, Preciturn's major factories will continuously expand their modernized manufacturing capabilities, possess the latest and most advanced tool manufacturing equipment and workforce, and establish long-term stable strategic cooperation with numerous strong suppliers, always adhering to the mission of developed elaborately and deeply in providing high performance, fast delivery, and consistently stable cutting tools for globe customers.